Hi, I'm Mike Rankin, Editor-in-Chief of InDesign Secrets, and in this video, I'll show you how to quickly reset the tint of a color to 100%. Here in my file, I have 3 text frames, and in each of them, the tint of the fill color has been reduced to 25%. And you can see that when I have any one of them selected, and go to the swatches panel. Target the fill, and I can see that it's tint 25%. Now, if you wanted to reset the tints to 100% of each color, you could drag the tint slider here, or you could click in this tiny field, select this number, and change it to 100. But there's a much easier way to reset the value to 100% of the swatch color. And I'll just undo. Can you guess what that is? That's right, you just click it. Clicking the swatch tells InDesign to reapply it, and when it does that, it resets the tint value to 100%. And it works for any kind of solid color swatch, whether it's RGB, CMYK, or a spot color. Now they're all 100% of the tints. I'm going to undo a few times to lower the tints again and show you one more thing. And that's what to do if you have multiple objects where you need to change the tint value. When I have all 3 frames selected, I can't just click on a swatch because that would apply that swatch to all the frames. Don't want to do that. But I can reset them all at once in the tint field or the slider. So I can drag it up to 100%, or again, use the tiny field to fix it. And that's okay for just 3 frames here on one page, but what if you had to change the tints on 300 frames spread throughout a book? Well, first you should be using an object style for those frames. If you do that, then you can simply edit the object style to change the tint value on all the objects. But if you didn't use an object style, all is not lost. You can use Find Change to alter the tints. Again, I'll undo to lower the tints, and press Command or Control F to open the Find Change dialog box. I'll go to the Object tab, and click anywhere in the Change Object Format field, right here. And in Fill Settings, I'll type in a tint of 100%. And click OK. I'll search throughout the document. And note that I can target specific kinds of frames or all frames right here. I'll just choose All Frames and change All. And it reset the tints to 100% on all these text frames. So remember, if you need to reset a tint for one object, just click the swatch in the Swatches panel. And if you need to change the tint of multiple objects, either edit the object style or use Find Change. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want lots more tips like this, be sure to check out InDesignSecrets.com and subscribe to InDesign Magazine.